All right, so what do we have here today? This is BuzzAgents AI, and this is a social platform. It's an AI tool that can create viral content for you and post it on your social media at full autopilot, on full autopilot. How it works is it lets you create agents. Think of them as your teammate social media content creators who can create content in a specific manner. You can tell it to exactly behave the way you want it to, and then it will just go on and post on your behalf all day without a break. Let's take a look and see how that works. So you get started by creating an agent. So you've got some options here: create new campaign, view all campaigns, and view all schedules. This is where you do the scheduling. But before we do that, we need to create an agent that will do the posting. So for that, go to AI agents and then click on create new agent. So you got a bunch of templates over here. I heavily recommend that you use the templates, but if you want to put in your own prompts, your own training data, versus modifying the training data that's already there, you can create from scratch. But let's go and create with a template. And then you have all these pre-trained agents in all these niches. So Clara Convert, AI affiliate marketer, Flexi Fran, yoga instructor, Jen Flex, motivational fitness coach, Nancy Moves You, a helpful real estate agent, Carlos Fixit, a dependable handyman. Lots of options, right? Let's see if there is somebody in the gardening niche. So we have Green Jean, I like that name, an eco-conscious landscape posting garden tips, landscaper posting gardener tips and sustainability hacks. Let's go for her. This is the prompt. This is what you need to change if you want to update the prompt. Basically, that's all it takes. And you need to have a campaign. It seems I don't have a campaign, so I was wrong. Let's create a campaign first. Campaigns, AI campaign, create new campaign. Let's call it the bottled planters, whatever. Planters. And you need an image if you want to put it there. This is the promotional campaign for bottled planters. We create captive ecosystems. Yes, I can be fancy. Ecosystems. I call it ecosystems that help you grow tomatoes at home. Yeah, simple mission. Click on create, and we need a campaign image. So I need to put in something. Well, what about this one? I guess this should be enough. Create it. So we have got the campaign, the bottle planters right here. So let's go back to AI agents. This time we'll try to breeze through. Green Jean, select campaign, and we don't have a platform. So we've got to add social media. All right, let's try to do that. Okay, so I've done it off camera because obviously I don't want to connect my social media details all on camera. So now I have a campaign that actually has my social media accounts connected. And this time I just changed the campaign. It's a bodybuilding campaign and it's got my social media account. So let's try and create some content, right? To do that, we need to go back to campaigns and then click on content campaigns, right? So there are a bunch of campaigns already over here. Some are videos, some are images, because remember, this product can do images, video, and text. Let's create a new content campaign. You got text, AI, and images, and videos. And if you want, you can create a manual post too. So this is like a content creation system. So you can create content on the fly. Let's try to create a post plus AI image. Click on confirm content type. You can select a campaign that you already want and a client, and you can use a client name. And if you want to, of course, you want to select the agent Genflex that we created, and you can describe the content like motivation for working out hard, right? And how many variations do you want? Let's select 2. And what kind of image format is it? Stories and reels. Okay. Which country you're targeting, which language you're targeting. Here are the social media accounts that it will be posted to, and whether you want the AI to handle scheduling, or you want to do manual scheduling, or you want to schedule it later, just create the content now, you can do that. You can also choose the post frequency. Once you're ready, click on next. Here we go. It's creating the content right now. I'll be back in a minute after I see something. All right, so something's happening already. You can see it's working. Image generation has started. And I think if you click here, you can control your accounts and all. All right, so it's still generating. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the other stuff and come back in a minute. We can go back to content campaigns. This is generating. Now, there were earlier videos created, so we'll just take a look at that video. It says awaiting customization. When I click on it, there is the video. Want to make affiliate commissions online. And there is a little timeline at the bottom. If I hit play, it should play.
Step 1 asterisk. Choose one solid affiliate product. This shouldn't be just a random link. Instead, select something you genuinely believe in and would recommend to a friend. Authenticity.
Okay, I don't know how to make it happen. It's kind of like it's waiting. Preview. Perfect.
Affiliate combined but don't know where to start. Here's a step-by-step blueprint anyone can follow using 1 asterisk. Choose one solid affiliate product. This shouldn't be just a random link. Instead, select something you genuinely believe in and would recommend to a friend. Authenticity is key, as it will resonate with your audience.
Okay, so just wanted to show you the kind of videos that it produces. I think that gave you a fair idea. It can auto make your videos without a problem all day, right? So this was the video that we just customized, that we just looked at, right? Let's go back. Let's see more content. Now our images are generated, so it's time to take a look. Here we go. Unleash your inner champion. All right. I don't see the image though. Yep. You see this post? Yeah, this is the image created, and the image will be posted with some content. Pretty good image, yeah. Really feels the power, you know. You can really feel that motivational spirit. All right. Not a bad photograph at all. I like them both. And if you want, you can change them. Like you can put your branding, like add a subheading. Let's go add a subheading, right? I clicked on it and we have the subheading here. So I'll change the color in a moment. And here we go. Let's go now. And you can put your image here of your product if you want using this tool. So you can click on uploads, and what about this one? Yeah. So you can see the product photo shot came over here. You can change the size. Now you have your own little content. Click on save. That's it. It's saved, and it will be scheduled later and automatically posted. So that was one part. Let's go back. There is also another video about bodybuilding over here. I think we need to see that too. Click on view. It says awaiting customizations, and check it out. Let's do a preview.
Unlock your potential. In just 30 seconds, I'm going to share 3 essential bodybuilding tips that can supercharge your gains. Compound movements. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscle groups, maximizing your strength and efficiency. These foundational lifts are crucial for building a solid physique.
All right, so again, we see the kind of videos it can produce. That's great. Next, what do I need to show you next? Did I show you streams yet? No. So content stream is like a channel which you publish your content through. I did create the streams earlier, and you can just send the content to your stream and it connects to your channel, and then it just publishes to that particular profile that you connected to it. You've got the scheduling calendar here, which shows you about your posts that will be published at certain point of time. You can see when the dates are. Next, there is a viral database of content that you can reuse. You can download these clips just by clicking on download. They are in all sorts of niches, but you can search. So if you want to get bodybuilding, you can look for bodybuilding, I hope. Okay, so nothing connected to bodybuilding, but yep, you can see posts about all kinds of stuff. I think there is a text here which you can search. There is also viral posts videos that searches Instagram. So let's try looking for bodybuilding in here. And I see these posts that are created by other Instagram users, right? And you can download it. So I'm gonna download it, all these jocks. What about it's too much. What about this one? So it says it's downloading started, and it's downloaded the video, it seems. So viral video fetched. I think if you go to viral database, oh, it's downloaded to your computer, so you can re-upload it. I think that's a nifty feature, because that means you can actually get a lot of content that you can reuse. There is also lead page maker. So this is an opt-in page maker. You can create an opt-in page and you can get leads. You can have people come to your page, sign up, and you can send them to the offer that you want to get more leads inside of this product. There is also a video editor, an image editor, and you can see in my content all the content that you have, right? So if you want to create a custom video, modify it a little bit, you can. That's not hard using the video editor. And these are all the content pieces that we created. Click on it and you can then just decide whether you want to render it or you want to just still wait for it. So basically the power is in automation. The best thing that works in this software that actually can help you is that the AI agents, the agents that you created, they can create content that you've custom designed them to create, and they can post them to your social media, to your social media profiles, right? That's the purpose. So just trying to see if I can hit click and post it somewhere. And we have push to stream, which actually pushes it, includes it in a stream, or we can click on schedule post. We can choose the date, click on update schedule, and it will be, scheduled to get posted. So this was BuzzAgents AI. If you like the software, you need to get it from me, because then I can give you access to all my great software too. The latest product that I launched was Diggy Miner. It's an AI powered scraper, and it's a cool product, but I got a bunch of other products too, like a pile of them, and they're all a part of my TechnicForce Rewards program. So if you go to technicforcerewards.in, this is my membership. When you purchase a product through me, another person's product through me, you automatically get reward points, and those reward points are automatically added to your reward store. This one, you can log in and get access to my products, all the products that I've created, absolutely free of cost using the reward points. So that is a special bonus that I have set up for you. All these products are amazing, really, really cool products that I've created for you. So you can pay for them but directly by just buying them off me, or you can buy other people's products, and I do get a commission on it, and I pass on the benefits to you. I pass on some kind of bonus to you because you bought something from me. You get access to other people's products. So on that note, if you like BuzzAgents, you know where to get it from. The link is in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're on my bonus page, you will find a button there which leads to BuzzAgents AI.